Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on Big Red. Now I haven't done many things with this truck yet. I got it to haul the Jeep and to haul the 240 and other things, but so far I put tires on and I've just been driving it. But today we're going to be putting on a set of towing mirrors. So the towing mirrors I've got from YITA Motor. It's an Amazon seller on Amazon. So let's get these out. We'll get these out, do an overview, and then we'll go step by step putting them on the truck. Nice snug fit. We want the right. Customer support information. Make sure we do this without dropping anything. Alright, we're alright. Now my truck, the mirror is electronically adjusted, so this one has that option. So that should just plug right in. We're going to find out. Packaging is nice and tight. Hopefully, probably not very common for anything to get broke. Now when I was looking at these, what I was impressed with is this part here. It's still got a plastic enclosure, but the bracketry is aluminum. It's not all plastic. Now most things are made out of plastic these days. These factory ones, plastic. But this being such a long mirror and having that weight out there, it needs to be stout, so I'm impressed with that. I've been considering lifting my truck, and once I put these on there, I think I'm going to have to match the attitude of these mirrors, but I think it's going to be a good fit. Everything looks nice. It's got a little glue right here on the mirror, but that'll all clean off just fine. No dents, no scratches. So now we just find out how well it's going to fit the truck. So I'm going to get all the tools ready and we'll get the door panel off. This is a job anybody can do in a short amount of time. Only really need one tool. The only part of the door panel we have to remove is this piece right here. It's just got two clips in it. Mine's a 99 model Sierra. Two clips and that's out. Next there's just this piece of foam. Pull it out. It's just one catch on this connector. Unplug it. There's three 10mm nuts. I'd loosen all of them, but leave the top one kind of run in. Not all the way. The mirror will hang from it while you're getting the other ones all the way off. That'll work. Now, hold the mirror on one side and remove the last nut. And there's these three little plastic pieces. Just pinch them in, and the mirror's out. Big difference between these. Alright, this one comes with a gasket as well. So we'll remove these 3 rubber things to protect the studs during shipping. Now, the wire comes out of the center of this one, and this one's just hanging out the bottom right now. So what I'm going to do is, this hole is that big. Pretty decent sized hole. So I'm just going to open this up a little bit, put this wire through it, put this connector through. There's plenty of room, it's not going to hurt anything. That is the way it should be done. We'll set that in there. Everything feels alright. Open our door back up. Pass this connector through the hole. Make sure the gasket stays lined up. And we're there. We're there. Make sure your gasket's still nice and straight. And start the nuts. I'm not an impact guy. I like doing everything with ratchets so I can feel what I'm doing, not just breaking things. Just feel the mirror and feel how tight this is getting. That's good right there. Run the other 2 down. Feels good. Feels good. Wires look like they're in all the right spots. I'll take this piece of foam, put it back around. The wire is a little longer, but I think we're going to be just fine. We'll just put it in here. Put the piece of foam in. Pop our cover back in. We'll see what it looks like. Big old mirror. But once I actually start using this thing for hauling, I think it's going to be alright. Fold all the way forward. Fold all the way back. I believe it extends out pretty far too. Need to check, make sure the actual electronic adjustment part works. Mirror is working just fine. Up is up, down is down, left is left, and right's right. I'm happy with everything. Everything works. It bolted right on. The gasket looks nice. There's no weird gaps anywhere. So, I think I'm going to put the other one on. We'll pull it outside and get a look at it a little further away. There they are. They look pretty decent. You can definitely see more. Much larger mirror than a factory one. So once I actually start hauling trailer and hauling stuff, I think these are going to come in handy. Also notice that they're heated. Another feature. After taking these down the road, I can definitely see the advantage that these are going to give once I start hauling a trailer with this truck. You can see so much more. So Everything works. It bolted right on. It's very simple. The Eckies run about 110 bucks. You can find them on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description. And, thank you for watching.